Emily, I found a Laboo at Goodwill for $3.
$3?
Yep, $3. I thought they were like $300.
They were 6 months ago.
So it's not gonna make me rich?
Brandon, you just explained our entire episode.
Guys, SpaceX, Anthropic, and OpenAI are going IPO. I'm buying everything.
Welcome to Triple the Money.
I'm Brandon. I just bought a $3 Laboo at Goodwill.
I'm Austin, and I'm about to be rich.
I'm Emily, and none of these things are as good as they sound.
Okay, wait. IPO. It means important purchase opportunity?
Initial public offering. A private company sells shares to the public for the very first time.
Austin, did you just...
I googled it this morning.
He's right. Anthropic, OpenAI, SpaceX, they're all private. You can't buy their stock. IPO, that means they're public and they're letting the regular people in.
That sounds amazing. Why is it bad?
Because by the time they let you in, everyone cooler than you has already gotten their shares.
Oh no.
Venture capitalists, hedge funds, wealthy insiders, they've been invested for years. The IPO is when they say, here public, take the rest of it.
So we're getting leftovers?
You're getting Goodwill Laboo. They're getting blind box limited edition at retail.
I am the Laboo.
Okay, Emily, don't IPOs always pop on the first day? I buy it, it pops, I sell it, free money?
According to data going back to 1980, the average IPO pop on the first day is 18%.
18% in the first day? Austin is right. That is free money.
Except you're not getting it at IPO price. By the time you click buy, the big guys with supercomputers have already bought up all the stock within a millisecond of trading.
Wait, a millisecond?
A hedge fund's computer can execute a trade within 1/1000th of a second. By the time you see the trade load on your screen, they've already bought, popped, and sold.
They have computers faster than my hands?
Oh.
So you buy the IPO at the already popped price, and then
The Laboo goes to Goodwill.
the Laboo goes to Goodwill.
Okay, give me the worst examples. I need to feel it.
Rivian, an electric truck company. It IPO'd at $78 a share in 2021, and it popped at $106 by the end of the first day.
That is incredible.
Within a week, it was $172 a share, and the company was worth $153 billion.
That's more than a country.
The company was more valuable than Ford and General Motors combined, and the company was making almost $0 in revenue.
None?
Basically none, just vibes and promises, and then,
Goodwill.
as of 2026, Rivian is worth $19 billion, down 88% from its peak.
From 153 billion to 19 billion?
GoPro IPO'd at $24 a share in 2014. A camera on your head? Everybody went crazy.
I've seen a bunch of those on eBay for like 20 bucks.
The stock is now worth about $1, down 95% from its peak.
The GoPro is the Laboo.
Maybe I don't buy every IPO.
He's learning!
Okay, Emily, SpaceX is different. They land rockets. That's not dreams, that's science.
SpaceX is currently valued at $1.75 trillion.
That's a lot of zeros.
SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic combined are valued at about half of Japan's stock market in more than Canada's.
Bigger than Canada?
And that's the price you'd be paying at IPO for future profits that may or may not even happen.
So I'm buying hopes and dreams?
You're buying hopes and dreams at Canada prices.
I can't afford Canada.
The data backs it up too. The Renaissance IPO ETF, a fund that specifically invests in US IPOs, has consistently underperformed an S&P 500 index over time.
So buying boring index funds beats buying the hottest IPOs?
Every single time.
We're the Laboo guys, Austin.
We're the Laboo guys, bro.
So what do we do when SpaceX, Anthropic, and OpenAI go public?
Wait at least a year, let the hype die, and let real financial data catch up to the dream. Then look at whether it's actually worth what it's asking.
And if it's still strong after a year?
Maybe, but just know that your boring index fund already captures the best companies growing in the world, so you don't need to gamble on the first day.
So the move is to not be the person camping outside of the store and waiting to buy the Laboo when it first drops.
Correct.
Wait, did anyone actually do that?
I sat in a car for 3 hours trying to get one for a friend.
Emily.
It was a gray one. Nobody wanted gray. Now I have a Laboo and a lesson I will never forget.
What's the lesson?
Don't buy the hype. Wait for the goodwill price.
Don't buy the Laboo at full price.
Don't buy the IPO at full hype.
And the lesson is the same. Don't buy the hype, but hit the hype button.
We're triple the money. And if you bought a Laboo and are thinking about buying an IPO, you should really subscribe.